Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real English Journey. Today, I want to share a story and a method that can completely change the way you learn English. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Most people spend years studying English. They memorize words, they watch videos, they try everything, but still, they can't speak. They don't understand fast English. They freeze during conversations. The truth is simple. It's not your fault. Most people learn English in a way that doesn't work for the human brain. This is Daniel. He studied every day. He memorized thousands of words. He watched lessons. He tried so hard. But when someone spoke to him, he could not follow. He needed time to translate. The conversation moved faster than his brain. Daniel asked himself, if I know so many words, why can't I speak? And then he realized something important. Words don't create language. Phrases do. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in chunks. Listen to how people actually speak. Do you want to grab something to eat? Can I get a medium latte? Sounds good to me. Take your time. This is natural English. This is what your brain needs. Daniel met a friend who spoke 3 languages fluently. The friend said, "You don't learn language. Language trains you." The method was simple. Natural input. Daniel tried something new. He stopped memorizing. He stopped forcing. He stopped translating. He listened to simple stories every day. Slowly, repeatedly. He let English enter his brain naturally. After 1 week, English felt familiar. After 2 weeks, phrases became clear. After 1 month, Daniel spoke faster, more confidently, more naturally. Fluency started to grow. Your brain is not a dictionary. It's a pattern machine. You don't memorize language. You absorb it. You learn, by the way, actually, patterns create fluency. The natural input method. 1. Listen to simple English daily. 2. Copy what you hear, slowly. 3. Repeat the same story for 3 to 5 days. Simple, powerful, natural. Avoid these mistakes. Studying grammar first. Memorizing long lists. Watching difficult movies. Reading advanced texts too early. These create frustration, not fluency. One day at a coffee shop. "What can I get for you?" Daniel answered without thinking. "Can I get a medium cappuccino, please?" It was smooth, automatic, natural. This is fluency. You can experience this too. Small steps, daily listening, simple stories, repetition. Your brain adapts when you train it the right way. If you feel stuck, you are not alone. If you feel slow, you are not failing. You just need the right method. This is the beginning of your real English journey. Thank you for being here. Thank you for learning with me. Subscribe for more stories, more lessons, and natural English. See you in the next video.